Hello everyone, it's Saturday morning. I'm gonna put in a snippet here and there of the last 2 weeks and what I've been up to. I'm heading off to the small corner shop. I'm gonna get me some goodies. I haven't been able to really get out. I've been nursing a foot. I've not been feeling so well, but I'm feeling much better now, and I thought I'll take you along with me. Oh, mind the gaps, né? My false tanden stikken. Okay, I got my hoodie up to protect me, and off I go. There we go. Finally going out. Finally. Ow. Die voet, né? I don't know where's my shade. It's probably in here. Yeah, I'm not 100% yet, guys. When I come back, I'm just gonna rest. I need to get out just for 5 minutes at least. 5 minutes just to get out. My boo, my boo. So we're in the car, guys. I normally walk over these, the shop. It's just like, what's this, 100 meters? But I can't walk over here. For the surface is so rough for my foot. En as 'n klomp, ek dink as nog dorings. I can't walk it like that. I can walk on the tar. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Such a beautiful day, guys. Look at that. The slightest of breeze. Slightest. You can just see the leaves slightly moving there in the tree. But it is hot. Driving around in the neighborhood. Oops, that's by me water, so I'm like thirsty now. go. Banana loaf. We're definitely making banana loaf. If you're gonna make banana loaf, guys, don't buy these bananas. Bananas. Buy these. It's the best. I'm definitely getting from this. Some apple. I'm gonna still make you guys some toffee apples. I'm gonna take 2 of these. And some golden delicious apples. Get another golden delicious. Oh, I love golden delicious. How are you? Lekker man.
One time, girl.
One time, girl. Lekker om jou te sien man. Oh, I've never seen this. Jimmy's chips. Wow, you want to try it out? Okay. Look what is here, guys. Fatima Cider braai sauce at the shop. Here's some lekker bompies. I'm getting some visitors, so I'm gonna get some chili jollies for them. You want the chili jolly? No, what would you? Okay.
Pilile na wena.
Ndiyaphila mna.
Kuna ndoni?
Ufuna idrink at the store?
You still didn't tell me what is the
Of was by die huis hier. Hy's rustig. Hy's besig in die tuin. Ja, dan vanmiddag gaan ons na Menenberg toe na sy vriende. Nou speel hulle lekker kare en domino's en so aan.
No later toch zo hij vroeg huis toe kom.
Nee, ek time vir hom. Ek sê, nou jy moet vroeg huis toe kom, ja. See you, salam. What kind of alarm is that? Ring, ring, ring. O, jene. Ja. My voet, man. It's here. You want some? Come we go. You paying, not me. But do they sell? Yes, why not? We are here now. When I go back home, dan moet ek weer binne bly. Kan ek eet? Here we are, guys, at Farida's Sisters. Oeh, is 'n lekker bankie om op te sit vir my voet. Yummy in my tummy. Ooh. Okay, these lekker samosas. Look at this. And it's all time here and I don't even know. These bolas. Ring donuts. Look at that. Just waiting for the lady now. And we're gonna buy a few things. I love this bunk, man. Reminds me of growing up. This is the unsugared Sisters. Yummy. Die mekaar is my haar.
Say I recognize you. I always watch your videos. Thanks so I can make this. I just wasn't sure that I would have lost.
You wasn't sure if it was Fatima side. I enjoyed myself a lot, guys. We're heading home now, and I just want to say thank you for always tuning in, and I love you guys, and I'll be back again with another video soon. Bye, everyone. Hello. Yes. Bye. Love you guys.